Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reddss for Daddy Reddss Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, Mr. Vegas is going to show us a different spin on what Mr. Lexx was saying regarding DJ Khaled voicing the Big Four artists. You know what to do: like, comment, subscribe, share, show that you care. Talking News is here. Yeah, Mr. Vegas is gonna look at this whole situation a different way. And also big up Mr. Vegas, you just graduated. Yes, King, you're doing the right thing. You're an inspiration to everyone out there. Like you said, no matter how old you are, you can always achieve your dreams. Big up yourself and just keep forwarding, because you definitely got some extra brain power, with what you said. So take it away, King.
What Lexx is trying to say, I will not understand, and when me I go show no know, because maybe him not say it the way I want to hear it, I want to understand it. Or maybe I don't want to understand it. Let me show you a different angle then. What DJ Khaled did, or what he has been doing over the years, should be, treated with respect. We should commend him. And when I try to, with them friends them, yes or no, him still a try with the artists them to put them on a certain level. Mavado, etc. Him not go with everybody at the same time. I'm not go work with everybody at the same time. But we know Mr. Khaled is a man who love the music. He love dancehall music, because I'm not just running now like some man where I look a spice or a little spice for them album. Because some of the man them will come work with the dancehall artists them just come look at flavor. Khaled is a man who actually sign people, sign Movado, I think. And he rate the artists them. He rate them. See? Me and Khaled may not get along 100%, but I respect what I do. But what I'm going to point out to you, you may agree and you may not agree. It shouldn't take a Khaled or a foreigner or a pop artist or a crossover artist or an international artist, whatever you want to call them, to come into Jamaica to show the world that them can get 4-5 artists on one song. And now we see the result, and we are get excited, and we are say, yeah man, and we are use it now for shame Lexx. Like him supposed to feel shame now because him did have an opinion, so him supposed to feel shame. So the song is doing well based on numbers. So him supposed to feel shame. But are we to feel shame? Are we artists in Jamaica to feel shame? And Lexx to feel shame, Is we must feel shame. The whole of we as artists, or the whole of we the producers, them the artists, them the whole of we for shame. Say a foreigner come to Jamaica and show we say when 4-5 artists go up on a song, what kind of stream it can get, what kind of numbers it can get. Are we if looking at ourselves and say, see all the divisiveness that we always deal with, a foolishness. You see the reggaeton artists them don't need Drake, them don't need Cardi B, them don't need DJ Khaled to make for them song get certain numbers. The whole of them link up together. Just go check it. You see all 5-6 of them on one song. Nicky Jam, Daddy Yankee them, the whole of them on one song. Daleks them, one song. So when that stream, because we in a streaming era now, all of a sudden we not talk about numbers now and streaming numbers now. Then who expects that we are going to stream? If we so divisive, if me reach out to an artist now and say, yo, me da love do a song with you, no reply, no respond, or me no want to do it, or idiot that I me no want to do no song with him. Remember say me is a man who go billboard. Remember say Elephant is a man who go billboard. Remember say Beanie Man is a man who go billboard. You have certain artists with them knowing at the international market. Seeing? Red Rat, all of them youth, then know them at the international market. Seeing? No fun when you say people are old people and we are old man and we are this and we are that as soon as we get some new youth. If we did a blend music and a blend some of the new youth them with some of the other youth them. Seeing? with some of the old man them. We that can introduce them to a wider audience, and them that introduce we now to them young fans them. You understand me? So the little teeny boppers we are listen to all a Skilly Bang, or I listen to all a Intense, or I listen to one of them new youth there, or I listen to a Jane Kingdom, or I listen to a Shensia. See? Them are gonna say, oh, boom, 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 and them are gonna start even research the older artists them catalog. See? And the older artists them now, I go draw the younger fans them now to feed them audience too. You understand me I say? So we actually are feed off of each other. But we no see it in our industry where me I run the place and me are the big man, and it feels good when a man say you are run the place. It feels good when a man say you are the big man. It feels good when a man say you are the number one, and all of them things there. See, but you have to understand, say, a house that is divided cannot stand, you know. So while the Afro artists them are link up together and do songs and do music together, when all me reach out to all a Jada Kingdom and she no answer me and her manager tell me say, oh, she not interested in them things then, we not go get nowhere in our music. When we hear a little young artist boss and talk about she not do no song with no young artists, we not go get nowhere in our music, because right there so we program ourselves and I say, yeah, we're better than the next artist, or we more up there, or we reach now, or we get which part we want to reach now. When other artists from other genre, they might deal with love and unity in their music. You understand me I say? When a man like Baby Sham a crossover and people know him internationally, we're not supposed to see Baby Sham not have all 2-3 songs with all 3 of them young youth or 4 of them young youth and one of the elders them are one of the icons them. You see me I say, we take Barrington Levy, we bust from way before enough of we bust. Capleton we bust before enough of we bust. The man them have a grape and them beard, and the man them a show you so them a real big man. No disrespect to the man them, but you can just say a big man them. And it took some big man we bust before we bust. And we take a foreigner to get them together. Why is that so? Why that me, a local youth, why that a local producer can't get them 4 artists they do a song in Jamaica? Why a man like Al Shams, or a man like Al Dave Kelly, or a man like Al Tony Kelly, or a man like Al Danny Brownie, or a man like Al Clavey, or one of them real bad producer, them real producer they will know about the international sound and international market? Why is it that them can't get 4 big artists, 4 top artists per one song? Man feel like say, yo, them not sing with one another. Them not sing, me not do certain song with certain boy. But when the foreigner them run come, we run go do it. We run go do it. You know what? I just our style that we not love ourselves, we not love each other. We not love ourselves, we not love each other. We against each other so much we not even realize that the dancehall music in a dying state. We don't realize I heard the music and then we come talk about say, yo, me 90s dancehall me say, yo, them a dancehall music have full music, and then we as artists come criticize the little young artists them and burn them out and talk about them a do trap music and all of them things there. Sometimes if them did say we as the elders them, or we as the old man them, or we as the dinosaurs them, if them say some more dinosaurs are link up and the numbers them make sense, you know, them like young youth that want to do song with we, you know. But no, we so divisive in our industry where you find out say that man over there so not like the man they not like the man the mother dead on go certain some people you tell condolences when the mother dead. We say we just so divisive like you would not, but when the foreigner them come we don't have no problem. We just run go link up and run go do song and I show the world say, yeah man, we have numbers, we have big numbers now, we are showing numbers. You're not supposed to take a foreigner to come get it together. You're not supposed to get no foreigner, no foreign producer, no foreign artist to come get we together. Make our fans them hear a real authentic dancehall, real hardcore dancehall, and real hardcore reggae, and them hear all 5 of we on it. You understand me I say? And we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 big bad producer produce them things about you. That means that when my numbers, Sean Paul numbers, Adisa Mania numbers, that them and the numbers, the whole of them numbers they add up. Everybody a stream from each other. It's like a symbiosis thing. You understand me I say? Everybody a feed off of each other. But we not stay so. And we understand, and we don't realize that when we so divisive, our fans them go act that way there too. Our fans them go act that way there too. So one man over there so with Fame fans them and Vendetta fans not like the fans over there so because them come from Gaza, and Gully fans not like the fans over there so because them come from Gully, and blah blah and blue. We don't have such a big industry for having the divisiveness. Our industry too small. We already not stream enough we have any form of division in our industry. And like America, we have down south, and you have west coast, and you have New York up here. So, and you understand me? I say we don't have such a large industry so we can be divided. It's when numbers are going to look pitiful. So when you come now take the numbers now and I fling to have Alexis and I go and bust up in head. With the stream them with the song with DJ Khaled produce again. I know Lexus for shame. And we for shame. And we for shame, you know. And we for shame. Why it takes a foreigner, you know, to get the permission? And why is a foreigner can sample an icon? A foreigner can come to Jamaica and sample a Gregory Isaac and get it cleared. Boom, no problem. But make me sample a Gregory Isaac a problem to get it cleared. Make me sample all away name the alternatives are one of them people there. A problem to get it cleared, but a foreigner can come just sample and just get it cleared when I our music. So whosoever own the publishing I go tell we say them not give no clearance or them want to take away everything from we. You see me I say? Why? Because we're not united, we're not together, You see me I say? Even if you don't want to use one of the big man artists them. We have enough music with our catalog big from Yasso to Brazil and come back. We have so much songs in our catalog for sample. And we if you sample with icons them and I choose some of them young youth upon it. That means that when all a skilly bang song go a road, the man hear all a sample upon that. And the man all three more of the young youth them depend that. And when our business too small, our industry too small for us to be divided. Because we not gonna move no numbers and as a man gets signed so, him a go get dropped. Because international label are deal with numbers. So when you get signed, you go get dropped. That is the reason why a man like when name from at 97, Hebrew. I heard that Hebrew said he's not gonna add any songs to rotation unless it is getting certain amount of numbers. Then if Hebrew where our gateway was through at 97. When at 97 or at 93, 7 pick up a reggae song or a dancehall song, chances are Boston I go pick it up, chances are Power 105 I go pick it up, chances are Power 96 down in Miami go pick it up, chances are we go get down a Rhode Island, chances are we go get some of the other territories them in the tri-states. You know, we might get Philadelphia, we might get out of Jersey. You see? So when we now have Hebrew according to what the reporter said, him not go add no song to that 97 unless we have stream certain numbers. We gonna have to stream numbers to compare with other man like Justin Bieber them. We have to go get numbers to compete with them people there. Because if Justin Bieber stream more than we, why you're not gonna add a Justin Bieber but you're gonna add a Vegas or you're gonna add a Sean Parry, you're gonna add anybody else and them not stream their own. But if the whole of we come together and the numbers them come together and make sense, then when one song get added at radio and a 5 we upon the song, and the 5 we are sharing at the stream, you know. So when you go up on my platform, yeah, when you go up on my platform or another one platform, if the song is 10 million streams, guess what? You are going to have 10 million streams on your platform. I may have proof of this. Voice is a sweet Jamaica when I produce with Barrington Levy. Me put Coco T on it. Me put Cecile on it. Me put T.O.K. on it. Me put Chris Martin on it. Me put Daddy Uri on it. Zine, me de on it. Zine, Freddie McGregor de on it. Leroy Sibbles de on it. Go on Spotify now. Look under Leroy Sibbles. The song stream over 10 million streams. But Leroy Sibbles, maybe he would have streamed 10 million streams off him catalog from back then. But now Leroy Sibbles, when you put him up on Spotify, him have 10 million streams on this song. Same thing with Freddie. Freddie them come up before the internet era and the streaming era. But if you go pull up Voices of Sweet Jamaica, you pull up Freddie, type in Freddie McGregor, you're going to see Freddie McGregor streaming numbers up because of that song. You type in Josie Wheeler upon the song, same thing. You understand what I say? So our industry too small for we so divided people. Our industry too small for we not unite as artists. And the man show we up. Khaled show we up. Him show we say him can run in and just get 4 big artists and put on one tune. How often that happen? We have Sean Paul, Spice and Shaggy on a song now. How often that happen? Go check the reggaeton artists them every day. Every day. You go so boom every day. Them people they are stream right through because we in a streaming era. Every day. Every day. So maybe we don't like what Lexx say, we don't understand where he might come from. But me kind of pick sense out of what I say, you know, people. I mean, not see bad mind. Me see somebody will care for dancehall music. Me see people that try use the numbers, them a try shame him. But the people that want to use the number and try shame Lexx, how much song? We can just say, yo, make we get them panda song, make we get them panda song, make we get them panda song, make we get them panda song. No, man, I go tell us, say, yo, you're too local. You too local for your man sing a song with you. And if you says, oh, such and such depend the song, you know, a man nah sing. Oh, you know, hey, me not like them boy there, you know. Yeah. Even if the numbers them would have make sense, a man I go first put in feelings before the music. But them come now and dash out numbers. A man I go put in feelings before the music. So I know really music you love. You don't love music. So when you come now and show numbers like a music you love, no, you only show numbers now because you want to show off. Because I don't really music we don't love. Because if we don't love music, we'd have been more united. Now the era now where people united musically. Because the numbers them have to make sense. Jamaica, we have 2.5 million people or 3 million people. We cannot support every artist individually for them stream enough to get added at radio. It cannot work. It can't work. How it will work? No work.
Honestly, people, I see where the man is coming from. Exactly. You know, the industry needs to be more united. Artists don't even collab anymore the way they should. But hopefully, it's going to start now because you saw Shaggy, Sean Paul, and Spice did a nice collab. Remember the other one was Stylo G, Spice on the remix, and a few other artists. So yeah, we need to get back to them ways because when music links up with music, yo, a super music, all right? You know what to do, people. Like, comment, subscribe, share, show that you care. I am Daddy Reddss, and I'm the reggae ambassador, and I'll always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking News.